ఓకే. నీ పేరేందమ్మా? నువ్వు ధ్యానం చేస్తావట. ధ్యానం చేయడం వలన నీకు ఎన్నో మంచి లాభాలు వచ్చినాయంట. చదువులో ఫస్ట్ వచ్చినావంట. నువ్వే తింటున్నావంట. నీకు ఆరోగ్యం బాగా అయిందంట. మీ తాతయ్యకు ధ్యానం చెప్పావంట. ఇలాంటి ఎన్నో చేశావు. ఇలాంటి గతంలోనే వీడియోలు కూడా తీయడం జరిగింది. అయితే ఈరోజు నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు, హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ చెప్పడానికి నువ్వు అందరికీ హ్యాపీ న్యూ ఇయర్ చెప్తూ ధ్యానం ఎలా చేసినావు, ధ్యానం అంటే ఏంది, ధ్యానం వల్ల లాభాలు ఏంటి, జస్ట్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ అమ్మ, చెప్పు.
Okay, my name is Sansa. So today we're gonna a happy new year everyone. And today we're gonna do I'm gonna tell myself and I will tell how the meditation and everything. So my name is Sahasra. So this is our grandparents' house. So now I'm gonna tell about meditation. So we should first keep our legs like this and keep our hands like this and close our eyes and breathe out, and that is the meditation. And you should not take any, you should breathe and breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and everyone should do the meditation if you're free and if you don't see TV and phone. If it is free, do meditation. You can keep any songs like Shila Nive, Shirpi Nive, Dhyanam Chedamuro, like that. Every song will be in meditation. So you can do meditation when you're free.
Malakshari.
In the sun. And
it is so relaxing.
When I didn't do meditation, I got 10, 5, 10, 0, 5. I'll not get 0 in the exams. In PP2, I'm first and always. In first class, once half mark cut, they kept me in second. And my friend Chanasya came first. And my friend Earl also came second. I feel sad. But now I wrote the exams correctly and I rechecked and everything is fine. And when it is parent meeting, we'll see how I get the marks. And after that, I'll come again and I'll tell how I did the exam and how many marks I got. Means, okay. When we are eating, we should not see any TV or phone. Because when we are eating, if we'll see TV, all what we ate, everything will go into TV. We'll not get the power. If we'll eat, we'll get the power. But if we'll see phone or tabs, TVs like that, we'll eat. But when we are eating, we'll see the TV and it will go everything. When we ate, it will go everything. We will not get power. It will go everything in TV, phone like that. We will not get any power. That's why we should not see any TV or phone or tab when we are eating. So when we eat, our power will
increase.
When we are eating and we are seeing TV, it will down.
Okay.
It will become down. So don't see any TV, phone, tab when you are eating. When you are eating anything, when you are eating snacks, when you are eating lunch, breakfast, dinner, you should not see anything. When you are free, you can do meditation or you can see phone or touch. Now if they'll keep us fed. If there is no plate, how we can eat? The plate is helping us. We'll not keep down or will not keep, because it is a god. Rice is the gods. Rice are the gods. So we should give respect for everything. That's why we should tell thank you for everything. The plate, the door, the house, and the everything we are sitting, the floor, and everything. That's why we should tell everyone thank you. We tell thank you, our power will increase. If we tell sorry, our power will
decrease.
Okay, I'll do meditation 3 hours like that. Yesterday we celebrated New Year and night we did meditation. So I feel so relaxation. When we do the meditation, it will be so relaxed for us. And if any cold, cough, if anything will come, we should do meditation, it will go off. And we made the colors now only. And this is the 8th walk. And there is the one, okay. Here is
ఇది 8 వాక్ ఇది. ఓకే,
what is this?
ఒకసారి వాకింగ్ చెయ్యి.
Okay. We should start from here. 8 walk means we should walk like this. I should become tall. I should do like flex like this and fold our hands and keep our hands like this and close our eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. If anything will come, we should cut it and it will go.
ధ్యానం నుంచి ఎలా బయటకు రావాలి ఒకసారి చెప్పు.
Okay, we should rub our hands slowly and keep our hands on our eyes slowly. And open our eyes and clap.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సూపర్ సూపర్, సహస్ర సూపర్.